Have you ever struggled to breathe during haze season in Malaysia? I have, and that experience made me realize how serious air pollution can be. A very good day. My name is Uday Darshini Anapumpa Prakash, and my matrix ID is A23CS5047. And today I will be presenting on air pollution and its impact on our health and the environment. Air pollution may not always be visible, but its impact is serious. It happens when harmful substances like toxic gases, smoke, dust, and chemical particles fill the air that we breathe in. These pollutants usually come from cars, factories, and also burning of fossil fuels. In this presentation, I will be explaining the main causes of air pollution, how it affects us, and the solution that can help us to reduce air pollution and help us to breathe easier. Let's begin with the problem. Air pollution is becoming more severe, especially in fast-growing cities and industrial areas. The main sources are vehicle emission, factory pollution, and poor enforcement of environmental law. Without proper control, both the human health and the environment will continue to suffer. Let's now move on to the main causes of air pollution. There are three key contributors. First is industrial activity. Factories and power plants burn fossil fuels like coal and oil, which releases large amount of sulfur dioxide and soot into the air. So what happens when the air is polluted? The environment suffers. Acid rain and smog damage forests, rivers, and crops. This industrial activity will also increases the breathing problem for communities who are living near these type of factories. Secondly, we have weak law enforcement. While many countries have laws to reduce pollution, some of these industries break these rules because the laws aren't enforced strictly. Thus, the polluters avoid punishment and the air quality continues to worsen, which will affect the low income and crowded areas the most. And lastly, we have transport emissions. Vehicles like cars, buses, and motorcycles release harmful gases at street level. This will make the people's health to become more worse and asthma and lung diseases to become more common. In cities with heavy traffic and many factories, the air quality can fall to a hazardous level. Now let's take a look at what we can do about it. There are three powerful solutions that we can take. Public awareness. First, we need to educate people. Many are unaware that actions like burning rubbish and using old engines contribute to pollution. Campaigns, school programs, and media outreach can raise awareness and change behavior. We should also encourage eco-friendly habits in daily life. Second, the government should enforce stricter rules. Emissions limit should be set for factories and vehicles, and regular inspections should be done. Laws without enforcement are just words. Finally, we need to adopt a cleaner technology. Industries should switch to clean energy. Public transport must improve so fewer people need to drive. Promoting electric vehicles is also a big step forward. So these are the solutions I think that we can take in order for us to reduce air pollution. This presentation has looked at the main causes and effects of air pollution as well as ways to reduce it. To sum up, air pollution may seem invisible, but its impact is real. It comes from everyday activities like driving and factory work, and it leads to serious health and environmental problems. But this issue is not impossible to solve. The best way forward is a combined effort through public education, cleaner technologies, stronger laws, and community support. Cleaner air is not just a hope, it's a goal that we can achieve together. Thank you so much for listening.